kushemererwa. Ninja kotingo mu cyaro umwe bamwita Honorable Alice Alaso. Honorable Alice Alaso akabaho member wa parliament mu cyara ahabwa Soroti Serere district. Kandi akategeka mu kisanja cya munana ecyamwenda ne kikumi. Aba n'abakazi abatubandizeyo abin experience kandi they advocate for women. Omukazi ogwe ahandikira kitabo na kugira ngo affirmative action ekozero mu mugwamani kandi nitukigenda ecyo kureberaho abakazi beyonjire omunambazi which is good. It's a very big achievement. No chumanya ngo mukazi mwe nkaha nkabiye ninkoraho ki ngo nsidiyo nkomu
kurukororye
omukazi kuri mpinjiri nkabiye ninkora muke. So na kugira ngo abakazi beyonjire when you go to wazo mu technical team okwe no shanga y'abakazi for example tunkabusheni ka witu no mukazi kandi ariyo nakora umuntu mugwamani hati nko mukazi kawa kabiye naruga korukuza kamba ndize no wa vice president wihangere no mukazi hati vice president akabe nabo mukazi ombwire buri korukureba speaker wa parliament namba yakashatu mwihangere no mukazi okiza hari prime minister no mukazi nani shoma mukashesha akanashanga ba PS secretary permanent secretaries abakazi ni bakera baki abashisha kandi waza no ministries zabo they are doing very well, very well. Tuja kutandika na Dr. Diana Atwine our Minister of Health, she's doing well. Nabandi nindeba doctors abakazi bashomero bushaho ko kuza nkito witu bushenyi ba in charge n'abakazi almost 99% and they are doing well. Tobushenyi is complaining ko kuza umba head teachers abakazi owitu it's a big number, almost 85%. Women are doing well. Abakazi they are in agriculture 80%. Abakazi they are in private sectors. Abakazi they are doing well. Women are doing well. Konka turiyo tutambura and we are not moving backward. We are moving forward. So ko kugira ngo no turabe tugireyo tukigizire makuru ndeba ngo echo
nisazamu abakazi nabakiterwa
ninkisazamu
abakazi nabacyorra abana bonka abashija babanagira abana
omwizine ryoha
Eliya Yesu.
So we Honorable Alice Alaso nyenda kumukoti ngabo kuba message ye very clear najya ngo echo kwongere namba yes it is good but it is not the most important. A chairman you were mukazi we member of parliament you were PS you were no agriculture you were councillor ori kuzwekera Gomboro ori kuzwekera district omukazi oyine influence ki aha policy nana ku allocating funds aho no mulamwa guri ahabwo kuba ekyamani munonga no kureba ngo mukazi hine cyari yo nakora twenda kusima president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ahabwo bakabakazi atuterireho opportunities nyingi okureba ngo mukazi wagira ecyo wakora hati twabali aha that level yo influencing policy yo influencing budget oyino kureba budget y'abakazi eryeta kanko kecho kurebera abakazi bine sente za uwepo eji itenko witu bushenyi women have benefited a lot uwepo abo koze ne sente za abakazi nangwa kwizire parish development model bakabaja ngo sente zigendera mu parish development model twagenda wa president amjango no eze sente ziyambire abakazi bingi twane tushabangu zigire ki zigume hateze sente ziyo ziyamba abakazi kandi bariyo nibakora ko kugenda mu parish development model abakazi bakabaha 30%, abakazi bariyo nibakora ko kugenda mu myuga abakazi bariyo nibakora. So they are accessing finances. Abakazi they can access credit mu UDB. How? Abakazi bakozire bagura amataka, they are owning land, bine byapa. You can disagree to agree. Ebindi yo ningamba nyowa hinduka rugabushenyi
biriyo
70% of women are working indirectly and directly. So omukyaro ogu nyeki yagambe kikugira ngo tukore itwabagiriyo kuri yo rukuru nangwa na local government naho women can influence policy okureba ngo needs z'omukazi zirimu. For example, nka need yo mukazi y'abantu bakubasa kurabya hamisha ekintu kya climate change. Did you know ngo climate change ne affecting abakazi munonga kukira bashija? First of all, habaho nka floods, habaho nka landslide, habaho these natural calamities nke orubare. Abakazi nibo bakubona munonga uko ibyo kuriya byabone ba affected, kandi nabaho issue ya migration. Hato shango mu kufuruka omukazi nibo bakubona tayine okuraza abana, tayine okukora ki. That's a very important factor. Okureba hati nyo muri gwanje nko mucyara no kureba ngo kuriya esente zabo zagira ki za climate change zagira ki zaragayo. So nyenda kugambira ngo abacyara we are progressing well. Ekintu cy'abacyara ntwenda ku strengtheninga leadership training. Ekizibu kitu abebembezi obundi nitubara kuba trained kandi ejo budget ekozibwe yo traininga yo kubangura yo kutazya
yo kugura
niza kugambira munongo mu line yanje ya politics. Hati omuntu naiza musya azo mu politics bonkabula kuba trained oshanga nakora yes konka obundi nakora ebimwe atakubimanya bigira ki abirugayo yes na banda political mentorship hito hatu batandikiye kutubangura already nyona attendingire like conferences nkishatu no whip yaheze ku training chiza foundation yaheze ku training cyankwazi narigire mu training. So kandi nishitama aha budget. So gender ministry of gender tokubasa kureta budget nishitamuho ntakureba sente z'abakazi because that's where it begins from. Okuniyo enshonga z'abacyara zikugira ki zikutandikira. Economic empowerment abakazi ngoko nanagambire 80% bari mu agriculture, barisize nkoko, barisize mbuzi, they are in piggery, batungire fertilizer, they know how to make organic fertilizer, nibateka mu ntoke. I want to tell you abakazi abombekira amaju gaw omusente za parish development model. People kuba kurura miliyoni emwe bageta akasente kaki miliyoni emwe omukazi ne mushanga ahingira omwani kongatine manyu mboshi yasara mu miliyoni yona akagiteka mu mwani akateka mu manyu
sizonero
kurataho gukera inzu nebe tagira ki etaho ekiri kutuma twagira ngo tube empowered economically. Katugire ngo arabakazi bingi tibine bashije, maybe omushija kafa, maybe omushija kusugireho munju, maybe torashwirwe kongo inabana, maybe oshwirwe, but you need to make a contribution to be respected in a home. Ahabwo kuba nyenda kugambira ngo wabo tine contribution eyo rukoromuka nubwo kuboshwirwe mushija ari kushaki, that man will never give you freedom. You will never torutunga bugabe obugabe bwona nyo wabacyara bampurikirize n'enshaho yawe haza na munonga enshaho yawe ejo yakushango ine kintu kiba kweta emicwe okagira akasente okagira n'emicwe abo kubana obuturabe turi kukora noteko ku multitasking n'ekiyungu n'ekyawe
nobora wine sente
okukuza abana okuzara okubarebera n'omurimo gwawe nko mukazi
nobora agire sente
okurebera omushija ukamanya ngo ariyo nazamurimo ikoti ye ryahe sati ye ryahe inkito zirinkahi okureberere ka general cleanliness holistically no muntu mukazi so you multitask wine kwega ku multitasking guno mwana oriyo noza kugenda konka hari abashija bine mico mirungi nakwasa kwari kurebo ino mugasho ngoshi wagenda bakora sente umwayine cyo mwakora aha na hariya yanaza kora ikintu wa mucontributingiraho umwana yanaza hishomero ni wa muha pocket money obane shiringira 10 izo nazo bazite sente nawe naija kugira ki akuyamba so economic empowerment y'abakazi kuteka amani mingi okureba ngo buri mukazi ayine cya kugira ki cyakora aho ninja kutandikiraho nyebaza abakazi babushe as I told you 70% of women abakazi babushe hine kibara gukora iki ni ikigamba with confidence ni ikigamba abo kwani kimana ite twine over 600 villages I mean
cheka shanzo n'ikintu cyango
almost 600 villages kandi zona narazishirime mu rundi kikumi so abakazi bari no bakora abakazi bine daily income abakazi bine quarterly income abakazi bari mu perennial crops umushanga yinjire naguza amahuri ejo daily income umushanga yino mwani ejo no quarterly income umushanga yine harwo majani ahingire bitoki bahingire za gonje so nyenda kwebaza abakazi ba Bushenyi nyenda kwebaza abakazi ba Uganda nyenda kwebaza abashija okutwikiriza ngo tugire ki tukore so abakazi bayoni bakora nabwo echo nyenda kugambira ngo turiyo tutambura and we are progressing very well.
Honorable, turiyo ntiza kutandika implementation ya National Development Plan ya kana n'ibintu ki ibi mukazi wa Bushenyi mukazo myambara mukazo mya Uganda ashemeye kuba nateka nomanya ibintu ibi no kutangiriza National Development Plan ya kana iwe ngumye ishingiro kazi no byabona ibintu cyebishemeye kuba ne bitebo hameisho ahabo mukazi ogogo kutandikirwa abo kuba ko no shobora no gamba offices ndiba no shota meisho gaho gatera ariyo go umukazi wagize rekaramu wagira mu office hari ugo mugazo wahanze ugo mwishiki waza kweze imyaka ibero mu bushwere
yes
ugo umwana wo mwishiki rigire kweza senior 6 tine school fees yo kumongerayo National Development Plan eje yakana iwe ngo myeshengero kazi no byabona ibintu cyebishemere kubana bitayibo hameisho abo mukazo
ecyo kubanza NDP4 abampurikirize ejo ni National Development Plan kandi ko kumwahura plan ni plan yihanga plan ejo neba rolled ningashi neba launched ningashi nekora emyaka 5 ahindi kugambira eji NDP4 ekaba launched by His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ebiro 5 June 2025 neja kuraninga up to 2030 so kutukubantu kora budget national budget ebitu kubantu za eba kuza kukora nibabyiha omu National Development Plan no muri echo eji National Development Plan itwe nk'abakazi ngokuna nakugambira it's about influencing policy okureba ngo policy eriho yaba executed ni haba harimo esente z'abakazi kandi nyingi ngokuna nakugambire web so to making sure ngo mu budget for example a budget ya 2025-2026 esente zo zikazirumu
za web
kandi nyonko rukushitama ha budget za web ni ntekwa kuzorerejo nambwe ndujwire nareba ngo 2026 sente zo mukazi gizireki
zero
kandi nagambire ngo aho nho hariho ikinyusi abo ko wanogira ngo women should be economically empowered. We should promote gender equality. Omwana w'umukicaza hishomero n'umwana w'umuja gireki azahishomero omukazi akore n'umushije akore omwana w'umukicabe engineer n'umwana w'umuja nabasa kuba doctor n'umwana so ekiri kureta cyabecho no kureba ngo hariho funding tino ko rabe economically empowered tine capital so government ne supporting nabo ekyo esente ezo to making sure ngo zo zireki zero za web eza part development model na nazigambiro ezemyoga nazigambaho so esente ezo to making sure kandi zirumu omu NDP for bani bakola budget every financial year ekya kabiri skilling abakazi bingi bali mu tailoring abakazi bingi baine saloons abakazi bingi they are doing catering as hotels nyingi itenka musheni tuna abakazi bamana bona baku abigwe mu catering bine bizimba street and they value their work and they are passionate bakora umurimo murungi munonga abakazi bari mu salon ko kuna nagambe abakazi bari mu baking so skills development na value addition okureba ngo for example abari mu agriculture 80% no kureba ngo ba adding value aha bintu byabo ningasho kubyongera umutindo aha bintu byabo eba kugira ki ebakora twenda kusima his excellence yo reka Museveni buri region akateka mu skilling center hano ya eyitwe rya Hambarara
leri yurubaye
yes abana bingi abana babishiki aba dropping out abashya bo bundu bakazara tubabasagumizamo obundi bishe bakafa obundi abayimba barebera school fees kabura bagenzera mu skilling and they are doing well hariho philosophy omwe akagira ngo it is always good to be job makers but not job seekers kikabe kiri kirungi okutondaho emirimo dan okuza kugironda abo kubati ekizibe kitwinazi a country is unemployment. Uganda is not industrialized. Abana tibine ho kormana na mara university konko mwana kwako bayegire bye mukono. I can assure you ngo mwana kogwe tarirara kwe tarufuna buzibu bwona. Ndiko gende bushenyi Uganda Technical College UTC Kahaya koro kurabo ho cyo tekatika muninka university ba training njiro mwana hariya ba engineers abamana bari aho plumbers bari aho government kuzira umurimo gw'amana nitugisimba tine bugarukiro kandi omunamu harimo abana babishiki omunamu harimo abakaze bakwa bashirwa kajangwa katugende to developing our what their talents so they are doing well. Ekyakashatu budget NDP for age etira maana mingi omu ATMs, that is agriculture, tourism, manufacturing and ICT. So industrialization and marketing abakazi abingi bari no participating kandi nibakoraji nomanya ati nkamu tourism nibani benda bakazi because they know how to usher in, they can entertain visitors, especially in Kaba Bajunga Bakwandu Wargayeru. They need good ambience. They like being catered for. They want first class care. And abakazi echono kimanya mutchikora ku munonga ko bakizimwa
bakitangira abakiri
so NDP4 erimu ebirimu bibye byitu nka ATMs so no shanga ngu government ebyone bikora to achieve the tenfold growth strategy akanoreba government is predicting ngu in the next 20 years our economy neja kube growing 10 times
imirundi 10
so hati ATMs ezo nazo zirimo baki technology women are very good, you can agree with me. With ICT they are wizard, they are good. So abakazi turiyo mu kintu tukora kurunje munonga
muri mu cyubuzi
abakazi bine budget yo kuba training ako kuna nakugambire support women for leadership and decision making, inclusion, mentorship, esente zitu zikizireki ziroma. So abakazi esente zabo zikizireki zirumu okwihaho they lack information abakazi abamwe tibine information kumanya ngo nka district hariyo web ha district hariyo esente za zemyoga ahamuruka hariyo parish development model ucanga batayegesubwa kurungi so ecamana kitwija kutekamo no kurenga utashomesa abakazi bamanya kugenda kuronda esente ezabo but otherwise esente NDP for rumu for the next 5 years itonka abakazi mukama garikira kahereza chance opportunity ntujja ku training for example omusanje cye kimazire I used this money makarita trainers for 5 days bazoko shenye ba training abantu 12
abakazi
yes nangwa abo bakara barumuna n'abashisha bakansalazi bahi nagarkanija na leta trainers from Ministry of Gender ba training abakazi bona abariyo mbwebembezi bakansalazi ba twazaho okwega how to balance your family amakagawe nebyo bwebembezi oyine kwinga oyine church work oyine how do you balance your work okureba ngo kandi tuwaza mbwebembezi amakaga kafu kandi tuwaza mbwebembezi kandi ngo ruhanga tocumuhereza kandi wazo mbwebembezi ngo abana wabargaho wabasigira ensi so a woman omukazi yitwe you must multitask okureba ngo ebintu byona wabiteka omubuteka so esente z'abakazi zo ziriyo kandi nibazitunga okuyeho kinta kugambira omu affirmative action hariho omuntu hari abakyara they advancing na mnonga bebembezi tugira ngo gender equality buzire abo kwati noreba niwe ndi wa district umwanya ni muhango hati nkabushenyi tune constituencies zingahi ishatu hati nyonye torori ishatu nyetorori gara isti nzo municipality nduga yenshuma nzo mugigara isti kuti kubatirwa mu Karuru nimbanyi neka tugire ngo buri kisero buri polling station nateka abantu nkabashatu times 600 izo nshingi zinga konkori wayi nakanya kace munovu kandi constitution ya NRM kandi na article 32 Constitution of Uganda negira ngo affirmative action is there to support those vulnerable groups, those special groups that were used to be disadvantaged. Konka hati nitwenda ku advancing kurugari gejo level. Then article 33 Constitution of Uganda yenegira ngo obugabe bwite batugaruze. Habeho justice bareke kutu discriminating. Habe actions zikorwe mwe ntateje level nitwenda kujurugaho.
Honorable ikinta yetegereza nondangu entebe y'umukazi eze ahari buru constituency
watu wazo muanza nyowe ituchi turikwenda abantu baresire proposals for example the honorable Naomi Kabashara warshe when agira ngo district eteje kwa abantu babiri tuchendeza hamu ahari ba members ba parliament tugira MPs aba babiri omukazi na nomushije kugira ngo omushije nawe atamburo n'abakiraremo abo kuba president yacu turorozeho ba councillors babimbategeka amagomboro abiri then omushije we ategeke gomboro rimwe konga hata kibihireho tukirigireho omukazi nategeke gomboro reji so aho atero ko level cyo kiteriri abakazi they no longer manage two sub counties umukazi na managing sub county emu nomushija managing emu hati noreba ngo hariho gender equality so totally omu district omushija tegeke district na nomukazi ategeke district konkanyo wecho echo ne cyaho narebo Kabashara nabagenzi konkanyo nyenda ku supportinga abariyo nibija ku proposing ngo sub constituency etegekwe omukazi na nomushija constituency kandi entebe y'omushija egumere open
abakazi bakujetsimbaho
ndenye negira abakazi tugetsimba abakazi egumeho ubwo nibwo turahurire akarungi kagenda
yangariye ndigira ngo inamba y'abanyeshengere yiyongere
kashi n'ugamba ki reka nkwereze example za amahanga gacikozire kandi kikakora tikiri hari Rwanda has done it
constituency
ngo kuna kikugambira constituency hati nkigara west hazeyo mushijana n'umukazi municipality
umushija n'umukazi
hazeyo umukazi n'umushija kuturenze ndagenda
zigara west na wazeyo umukazi
umushija abashija zuzigume ziri open
umukazi abe nabasa kugiye simba
konka cyacu targecho gender equality is still a dream abo kuba we are about like 175 women in parliament or even abantu bitanu really is there gender equality there aho nebetaro tu abantu bakamanyire ngo umuntu nabasa kwesimba ntebe y'abashisha mbe ari umukazi wabagesimbireho kuba kariya kuza kumutera bajyango ngo hati ko kutera karuri beska bakabakwerezwa kapapara ngwaka nakabashije
kandi ubu hariho
umukazi ngwaka nakabakazi ngwaka naka president so tubakumanya ngo agentebe n'abakazi babasa kugesimbaho kandi basinga karuru nambwe no parliament ejeje itiro ntumara bakabarama abakazi 18 abarunomwe barimo dihona level nawo kabashara konga hate gitinkamanyire enambe yiziri so we still have a challenge okusensitizinga abantu kumanya ngu gender equality politically aha grassroots terire ayero C1 erije ayero C2 erije ayero C3 erije konko parliament gender equality tekashire true or false
tikumanya uko kukipema konka kurgira argument yawe bizimazima nureba ngo equality yote kabeireho machazi nko kuwano gamba muri umurigendo mbasa ko bamutakashikiriye bitumushyiriye umurigendo
tukajidara ko no bantishoza esente nyingi munonga twanturonda karuru turyo mwanya mahangu kuba kututeraho baka hakiri tukore babiri babarabe bariho bakore babiri ninga abur constituency hati nkabushenyizire ba members ba parliament bana tube mukaga yes
kashato bumnyarwanda umuhiwo mushoro twamongera cost yo kubisaho umwibembezi
let me tell you members ba parliament wamanyanke bakora
tukubatira kuno ntsitekateka ngo kumurukikayo mu ikorera ibyanyu tini kitugomba goba
apana ito ene nyoni ndeba ba MPs bona bakora kandi bakora mu murongo munonga kandi cyo kinagamba eji modo Rwanda abantu bagikozesa nambwe it is the best when it comes to affirmative action in the whole world
kugira ngo hazeho uburinganiza
hakurataho Norway hakurataho India
no gamba hasonga ya projects zentunguka izigendere specifically kwiha y'abakazaba abakirya hansi kuko ni ndeba project tense ya munonga ya grow utari kugigambaho tikumanya government kagemereza ningo mu rubushe giteriyo
enshoga ya grow iriyo konkebe netambara kasobo netambara kasobo ite nkabushenyi imanya hari abantu bacha bazitungire konkite twakize training kandi ntugezaho munongo kureba ngo biza ba training namwe nimanya ngo mukisange cyenza ku training namanya Uganda ni impango kandi grow tika yasimya kenga ya
ngira ngo ningeshatu
they are there konkite tubaka training konka harimo very few abatungire sentence na Kampala hinabo kumanya bazitungire so ito hate cyo ntufa namwe bakandi baza ku training mu July konka twataho mu politics byo nabikabyahwire kuja ku training mu Bushenyi but I don't know in other mbiceke bindi konkito Bushenyi tubaka trainingire umuguro konkito no bije ba training but what we are not lacking money eze sente norebeza grow zine level yazo nibenda omuntu wakugukire or maybe on a large scale or your manufacturing or your nizija kwisha kandi manya bamwe bakoze reki bazitungire konke kinkwenda confirminga tukabije trained kandi I'm sure they will train us because ibandiko nkabiteka yukari
onayo akarura kahwire tubere tuyine ba presidential candidates abetse imbere abo president munana umbandu wabo munana abiri hatari mukaza
no
uno gambe myaka Uganda herize mu affirmative action urugendo rwa affirmative action ninga ukongera amana ngo mukazi mu ngeri ya Uganda after all those years abakazi muri gero mbiyungu kubura yo presidential candidate iwe nk'umuntu ukureba ibibwebembezi speed y'ituru kugenderaho mu ihango mu iyo kuyiho mukazo mu kiyungu niyo nke munonga ninga abakazi amana ganye no make munonga
ekyo cyabyo nyenda kugambira ngo enshonga y'abakyala abantu bari very negative about women
abantu
people public kwe kureba omukazi emureba ngo takukora ki takubasa kandi tukugira ngo ni Uganda yonka it is across the world ninjira kukozesa ogwo omukazi Margaret Thatcher akabaho first prime minister wa Britain akabanza yaba member parliament konka ahabwa patriarchal I don't know how to say it in Runyankole icyo kintu ecyabashije cyo kugira ngo itemite tuyinamana
turiko bibasa
kikabagumamo mbone nakuri yo mukazi kwiyabiraza kugamba abajije bakabatemba bakaba muyomberera batera nemeza ngo nagamba konka we mbwenu akari very assertive and determined akatemba nameza agamba ngo bamuhura kandi wa very few women abaye bari bo muri yecho konka after 4 years ya Zimbabwe wa prime minister
wa
United Kingdom kandi yategeka konka abantu bakine negative attitude omukazi takugira ki takubasa nabakobwa obwa vice president ngo mukazi takubasa
nubwo hine cyarakoze akora
ngo hine cyarakore konka nyenda kubagambira abashija bari okwe ngo mutuyambi mukore nitwe abo kwa muzira abana babishye tokabene na nko mwana wo mushiki abe nka minister nshemeza my parents passed on long time ago, may their souls rest in eternal peace but if they were to be here bakabe bashemerira nonga kureba ndi member parliament nubunabiye niza yo first time abantu bakabarika ngo umukazi takusakubasa kwa member wa parliament I think it was worse as a primary teacher ngo mshomesa wa primary na member wa parliament ntagindo mbashomesa bagenzi banje bajante bashomesa ndaza mwahurira if a teacher cannot be a member of parliament then who can itaba kushomesa ba doctors ba engineers utakukibasa so abantu binemu ejo negative attitude negative energy nicyo kurebera omukazi kwari kwe Zimbabwe wa president for example nka honorable Kamya akabwe Simba hariho na Wini na ke abakazi ababiziri bakesimba kongo koreba batabafireho but all the same na kugira ngo tugira ki into progressing
Africa kurebeka ngo abantu twatandika kukijura
ni chetenga sensitization na mnonga kimwa ba media nimwe number 1 okutugamba ho kubi okutuhandika ho kubi okutushisha you really tarnish our names there's no respect culturally omukazi ashemere kwa nahebwe kitino sa omukazi is a queen a woman is a queen omukazi you handle with her you handle her with care
wigende serese
aba social media omukushisha omukazi
tubarkwegende serese honorable
maningira ekibuzo cy'uwambuza n'ubunabe ntakacerizeyo konka nabwe itwe nk'abanya Uganda kandi Uganda by the way is one of those countries abakozi reje omukupromotinga abakazi omuku prioritizinga abakazi koko nanagambire ito we are not worried we are not complaining vice president ariyo no mukazi na nabakugambire ba ministers bariyo ba speaker IGG ukareba Kagina akabaho na executive director wa URA yazo muyunura ikintu cyabaje ba judges bariyo
koko bantu baga kutegeyitaho umusediozi nemo honorable Annette Katsime Mugisha n'umyeshengero kazi ahabwa Bushenyi district ahabwa parliament 11 kandi kuko yayagambira urwakana naza kurahira umurundo gwa kabiri hantebe niyemwe y'umyeshengero kazi wa Bushenyi turi tuzaho kacyombra ngo babakama beitu kuturkurgayo ntwija kuhendera beitu twantuganira aharigendo rwebembezi bo mukazi kandi na n'urugendo tayiriho n'urutambi ruteyirwe ahantunguka yo mukazi mu ihangeri rya Uganda mutarga
Skylight Hotel, eresra uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukwereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaro, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey! Manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire oruguto rwatora katete. Ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36 36
Nyebiti kubyenda
Penkoni
Yakweha utamuyo mu mudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngashimyode ku mpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nyuwako tunge icupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire.
In the neighborhood, near stagnant water and mosquito breeding sites, malaria lurks, always waiting to strike. But fear not, for here comes Mr. Vaxa, the ultimate protector against malaria. For years, malaria has been one of the biggest threats to children under 5, making them weak and even putting their lives at risk. But now, the government is introducing a new solution, the malaria vaccine. The malaria vaccine is now in the routine immunization schedule. The malaria vaccine is administered in 4 doses at 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, and 18 months. This vaccine will provide extra protection against severe malaria. And don't forget, routine immunization protects children from many deadly diseases. Every vaccine matters. Visit the nearest health facility for routine immunization services today. Mr. Vaxa, the malaria vaccine is free, safe, and ready to protect our children. Will you join the fight and complete all 4 doses? For more information, call the Ministry of Health on 0800 100 066. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health.
amazina ganjye ninye Mr. Quality ikorwa mu UNBS naija kusyaho obuhabuzi amitindo y'ebintu orukwetebeka gure ebintu oyine kumanya ebi waba nogura amashuta ninga fuel embaju y'ibiri z'ekyoma ky'amashuta nikibasa kworeka omuhendo gutari kushushana gw'amashuta agahebwa abo kushanga ngo ekyoma ky'amashuta nikiba kiinemu oburemezi orukukora kyoma nabasa kukoresa omugisha ogu kwiba nyaburawe zora eriisho batakwiba waba nogura ebintu okashanga ebintu bitari aha mutindo nari obunaku bwabyo bwahwireho aho naaho manyisa aba UNBS obamanyise abarikubikora ninga abarikubiguza orukukoresa esimu ezitari z'okushashurira nka noti 8 noti 13 31 33 nara WhatsApp noti 7 22 75 9 obwaba buri obuhabuzi aha mitindo y'ebintu natsigara ndi Mr. Quality okurwa mu UNBS.
Fire, baby.
Kirke Promotions yakuretera umbozo witwaha Sun Brown uwakaraka ekwe 2015 y'ukwezi kwa gatano 2026 Sun Brown live in concert aha Cape Hotel Kamwenge ejini budget operation okwishuza rugogo ya Kamwenge obwe twena turi kushemererwa no mwana with Sun Brown ashendekerezibwa March Henry Edio Davids Musho mutabane wa Bwoji Titan UG Lina Siro Wizende Chosen Domina Muwizi Trina Mora Arakade Masa Forte Salva Kangwase Agan Ray hamwe n'abeshongozi nyamwingi ubwo tireho live band rukoba kurukoba ubwo ba MCs ba DJs amatara stage burabe biza kuba biri presence jere babana bakamonje bari kweshongora live aha live band okutahamu ordinary kasanzo VIP mitware 2 deremeza mitwaro 20 abatire mwesente tayari media
TV turi mu program tsheshure kuko bantu baraga kutwegeitaho mu studios nyine honorable Annette Katsime Mugisha uguno myishengero kazahabwa bushenyi kandi twantuganira aha webembezi w'abakazi ukutsara munongo rugendo uruyanga rizere na rigenda aha kuzahura umukazogo wabere uri mu kiyungu kumureta mu office kumureta no mwishengero rihanga kaba police maker honorable turiye tuyirira kwendera konka haruho ikintu kiri kuteza abanya-Uganda induru ukukira munongo abakunu abarukoze senguto ya bushenyi mbara bushenyi kasese ingutejo ngabebembezi bitu no mugitekateka hoki butandu umusandi biraferire abantu 8
so sad
munana kandi kiri kukirete nguto ne yongera kufunda yesu nubatera mu biraka aba Ministry of Works and Transport konka ingute kafunda inguteji nka government ubundi kukuba uburiya ha budget committee tokaburinguizeyo hari yakasente neza kukorwa ninga tugumya amatsiko umurba mutekatekereho n'ubwo muri kikoraho
wabare mnonga moderator icyo koza cyabyona nyenda kugambira ngo tupasingire budget ya 2027 and budget ejo ebire ine priorities and I want to give you good news. Priority number 1 ebere nguto roads infrastructure priority nijo gabire garya amashanyarazi esente nyingi niza kuza security peace and security esente nyingi niza kuza mu nguto esente nyingi niza kuza mu mashanyarazi esente nyingi niza kuza mishara y'abashomesa aba arts na security ba police kind of esente zindi niza kuza Afcon abanyani tetkuza costinga African
2027
yes amarwaro nebindi so oruguto orurwambalala kabwohe bushenyi shaka oruguto rutwireho rutakozerwe kandi oruguto rwenduramo mabakugu nururabamo ba twasa kweta ba influencers
abantu babari
akutakwenda gamba
ni uri wa man bravo
ayishwa nanye ni wa man yes oruguto yo asiye mirundi 2 nindugambaho aha floor of parliament
ya parliament
hariho n'ubu nakora statistics nkayengaginga regional traffic officer namugira ngo angambira abantu abafire January February March ahangutejo akampa statistics akanyereka ngushema afira abantu 32 yes
tukazi yezo mwaka
emyaka 3 emyezi
amezi 3
yes omezi 3 shema bakaferwa abantu 32 oyijuke hari abatakubara bushenyi tukatuferirwa abantu abana bashatu
omezi 3
yes mitoma bakabari 14 rubirizi bakabari 14 mitoma bakabari 8 buhweju bakabari nkamushano twagiye kugita twashanga bari almost 100 in 3 months kanda abatarebire no shanga nibo bari binji so I went on the floor of parliament na raising a issue nagira ngo Mr Speaker a directing Mr Minister aronde sente bazihankahi ahabwo kubora uguto nkabugambira shimbe kwa rukoze yesterday these are now like 6 months ago orugutorwe tuyina masiko nduzakora His Excellency the President akija bushenyi umunshonga z'amajani twari umwanjuru yatujya nakurukora agarukire yija umukaruru twari umwanjuru
bataneza kugikora
atuntuza kurukora kandi ahindu kugambira hati nibatugambira ngo uriyo mu procurement nyo bakujya ngo ninkoro Ministry of Works tukakana hagati y'inkorwa
kuba tukoshayo
zakubuza Minister nzakubuza design zahikahi hati twemerire tuta kuri ya mu office area branch ya juro mu yunura okunaye nimba ndiyo so nitekatika ngo ruguto nduzakorwa konkako ko kuchimanya the resource envelope is the problem intasya yihanga economy tate sente zitwinite zitukorectinga zikiringi konga amahurira amarungi ko kuwagamba the tenfold growth strategy isente nizako yongera abo kuba the analysts financial analysts nibakoreka ngo resource envelope nizako yongera it can even be times 2 this financial year is what predicting so uruguto nduzakorwa konka ekikuru munonga barahuke kunarebere byashobera nagaruka na president nga for parliament najango as we are waiting for the procurement to get the contractor cut feeling potholes
twaze
twite byino before akaruru bakaba itaho nangwa konka kandi kukahwire bemerire nabwecho kwakuba hino mpuriro Ministry of Works twantu bashaba twatukirinzire sente twatukirinzire contractor at least ba feeling potholes batere biraka dena ho tugendere konka rwo ruguto nduzakora kandi nangwa turwo rwonka no kurugabwiza ubwe okugenda kabo nanka buhwejo okwija cyabujimbi tukayikanya kabirizo wito uru ruguto rwo mu budget n'urwa kubura rwambarara rwo mu budget this financial year
reka tufogera amatsiko tujaza twata tuza program y'abasalamu nanisha bango sivuru muri Water West TV
yo bare umtebekanisa wa program yenda kusima the viewers abahurikiriza n'abarebi ba tayari West TV ahabwo kutufollowinga no kura program eji kandi ngarike nsime na management ya tayari West TV ahabwo kuteraho program zinkezi tukaganira n'abantu bitu bakaturira ngo turiyo kandi tukabagambira nayiturugire nayituri kandi nayiturikuze once again ninsima abanyabushenyi ahabwo kunterera karuru bakakaronda bakakakuma kandi nimbagambira ngo ninyija kurahira 2014 rwakana renogwe tutandike okubahereza nko kutwabaraganisha kandi nkizo mutebekanisa program mazima ntarga ndasimira abanya-Uganda abanyankore abankore abanyabushenyi okuterera His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni akaruru kingi kandi onkirize mu congratulating President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ahabwa social economic transformation okureba ngo ariyo nagezaho munonga ngo abantu bingi na communities zabo ba moving from subsistence farming to commercial farming agriculture na no kwencouraginga na no kusensitizinga abantu education sector ebikozwe ni bingi health sector ebikozwe ni bingi economic transformation ebikozwe abakazi ngo kuna nabagambire those vulnerable groups ebya enguto ni byinshi congratulatinga
uyishirize program tugendera
mwebare munonga
abagenzi bacu
umurundo gundi turija kongeraho
Olivia Kabasime abana batareba kamera zawe uyikirize twendeze izuba rurungi kandi kumayise program zitu nizigumiza muka tayari West Chaitano twineyaga hana hari kanda hagataho shaha mshanju naga mshanju turkwega itar katia na program chekecha utarga tayari West TV usibije.
Oh, thank you very much.